So guys, first, so right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. So this is Bluetooth, so just right click to update driver, close, then one by one update, click on search automatically, search automatically for driver and then close it, close. Then next, type services, just right click to run as administrator. So you can see here Bluetooth, just double click, select automatic, then apply, OK, then click to restart, then support service to again restart, then select open, double click, select the automatic, then click to start, apply, OK, 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 this is not right, then close it. So guys, next method, click to start, run Bluetooth troubleshooter, click to setting, then click to system, then click to troubleshooter, other troubleshoot, Bluetooth, and click to run. You can see here it will detect and resolve the issues. Next method, next guys, install latest driver. So guys, open any browsers to Google search box, search like you can see here Lenovo ThinkPad P16 and go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. So you can see this guys, if you showing here your different system, so no worry, you just enter your laptop serial number and then click to search here and hit enter. Okay, it will show your system, which is you put your device serial number. After that, you can see this is all the separate drivers showing here. Then guys, Bluetooth, so Intel Bluetooth driver, if you install the different one also there, so try to Bluetooth Intel driver, it is good for your system. Then click to download, so it is completed. Then click to setup, then yes, then next, I accept, then next, install, install and install. Intel Bluetooth driver spec installed successfully, and then finished. After that, restart your system. Okay, thank you.